Hey guys, so it's Saturday and it's currently 9:46. I was gonna say $9.46 because I'm actually gonna try and make an order on Amazon right now. But anyways, I'm laying on the bed because I have this knot on my back. It freaking hurts. I'm going to attempt to bake some banana muffins this morning. I've never made it before. I'm not much of a baking person, especially from scratch. I'm not the greatest just because one small little mistake could really alter the results. I'm gonna try it. It doesn't look good honestly because it's pretty pale. Hi guys, good morning. It is Saturday and we're actually headed to the laundromat today because Mavis wet the bed twice. I think last night when I put her diaper back on for her, I didn't actually tighten on too tight, but she did have an overflow diaper as well. So we already cleaned the bed, so we're just gonna take everything and go to the laundromat and wash everything. And it actually works out because we've been needing to wash our sleeping bags from camping this past summer because the day we were coming home she actually puked inside the tent all over the sleeping bag, so we just haven't had the chance to actually go and get it washed. But today is just gonna be the day. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't take too long. Hopefully it's not too busy there, but it is a weekend, so I'm not surprised if it is. But we already have everything packed. I'm actually wearing a new Nike sweater that I thrifted just a couple of days ago, and it's like an oversized fit, which I really like. A kitty cafe nearby, so I went on over and got myself an iced caramel latte. It's actually pretty good. It's not bad. It's my first time going there. It used to be a different coffee shop, but now it's a kitty cafe. I was hoping maybe we get to see some cats, but they actually have it closed, so it's not open today. Not bad. My husband is chasing Mavis around the laundromat. She's having a really fun time here. This is her first time at the laundromat. We have our own washer and dryer at home, but again, we're just here because she need to wash the sleeping bags and might as well just bring everything else here. So we just finished with the laundry. We're heading out to Costco right now to get some water and gotta get size Mavis up on her diapers because 4s are getting a little small. I think that's pretty much it. We don't really have anything else planned. That's like a really nice day, but I'm trying not to spend too much money. That's one of my goals this year, is to shop with intention and not just go out and randomly shop for stuff and buy things that I don't really necessarily need. Alright, so we're finally home now. We stopped by the Asian store to get some pork meat because I have some mustard greens in the fridge that I actually need to cook today. I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm just going to tidy up the kitchen a little bit and actually start making lunch and dinner because I make enough for dinner so that way I don't have to cook too many times during the day. She should be getting tired. So our bed's not dry yet, so we're gonna camp out in the living room. Mavis is very excited. She only took like probably a 20-minute nap today in the car while we were coming home from the store after doing our laundry at the laundromat. I'm hoping she'll sleep early tonight so we can actually watch one of our favorite shows. They just came out with season 6, so yesterday we were supposed to watch it, but we knocked out putting the girls to bed. So maybe tonight will be more successful, but I don't know. We're sleeping in the living room, which is a different environment from what they normally sleep in, so I don't know if they're gonna sleep. So wish us luck. Hi guys, it's Monday and I'm actually making some coffee for myself right now. I feel like with the new year, I don't know what to vlog at all anymore because there's really nothing going on right now, but I've been wanting to declutter my home, but having kids and trying to declutter, it's just really difficult because I know it's going to take me all day to do that, and I'm trying to start small. I might start my decluttering in the bathroom and just kind of take out some old hair products, just anything that's expired, things that I obviously don't use anymore. And I have a really hard time letting things go, especially if I feel like I didn't get my money's worth. But it's funny to say that because it makes no difference if I'm actually not even using the products too. So either way, I'm not getting my money's worth. I've been wanting to declutter my house for like half a year now, ever since I was pregnant with baby, because more people, more things. For coffee, I'm using the hazelnut creamer. I have a little bit left. I'm literally trying to use this up so that I can use my French vanilla. Again, you guys know that I don't like to open multiple ones at once. I just like to use one, and that way I can slowly get rid of it. It's been really cold lately for the past couple of days. It's been in like the 30s. Today we're literally just planning on being couch potatoes, staying home. It honestly feels like so nice to just like be home like once every few days and just, you know, our time with our girls are kind of cutting down. My husband's going back to work next month, and I'm honestly very nervous about solo parenting every single day. I feel bad like asking for help or just dropping the kids off at my parents because I'm their mom and I feel like I should be able to take care and handle everything, even though I know it's good to have, you know, a break here and there and also ask for help when you need it. But that like part of me just feels like if I'm their mom and I can't do it, then I can't expect anybody else to do it. I do plan on taking them over to my parents like once every couple of days or a few days, just to kind of wean them back into, especially Mavis, wean Mavis back into going to my parents and just getting used to waking up early and get her back into a routine, because it was already really difficult going back to work with just one kid, and I cannot imagine now that I got 2 kids I gotta drop off, and it's just very hard. Like, it's like my daughter's waking up, so I'm gonna have to go and watch her for a little bit before my husband comes in, and then I'll start decluttering my bathroom and kind of take you guys along with me during that whole process and help me clean my home. I'm recording on my phone, but this is currently what I am dealing with. I've already gone through my clothes, and this is a pile that I am gonna sell and donate, and I'm still going through that along with everything else that's also over here. There's a lot of stuff everywhere, so yeah, it's really overwhelming to see how much stuff was actually in this closet. It's really hard for me to let some of these things go because I already have a really hard time finding clothes for myself as if already. These 2 boxes are just full of like makeup products and skincare that I no longer use, that I'm also giving away as well.
You just come running.
I just got this basket from Marshall's the other day and it actually fits perfect underneath my clothes here. So I just have some extra things in here. I have a few pieces of clothing item that doesn't fit anywhere that I just put on top of these plastic bins. As of now, everything is organized to the best that it could possibly be, and it's still a lot of clothes. Everything is in here because I'm just not the type to store everything away and then rotate all my clothes every 3 months. I just don't have the time for that. I already have to do that for my kids, so I don't have time to do that for myself. So everything that I have in here is everything that I wear for all 4 seasons. Finally put the sheets back on the bed, but we're still sleeping out in the living room. I haven't touched this area just yet. It's full of clutter and random things, and all of the stuff in here are new makeup products that I have not used yet, so I need to go through this. I took my stuff to go and sell at Plato's Closet today. They only took 7 items and I had a whole bag full of stuff, and they gave me $18 for it, which is better than nothing. I mean, I tried, and then after that I just took everything to Goodwill and donated it because I don't need it in my home anymore. This whole process took me about 3 to 4 days, I want to say, because I couldn't clean it every single day. During the day I'm taking care of the kids. I got a lot of stuff cleared out, and then I need to tackle the second room. There's stuff everywhere. That itself is another project, and then I also need to declutter downstairs eventually.